in the dim corners of ancient kitchens, where firelight flickered and herbs hung drying in the air. Garlic was already revered as a medicine, a protector, and a source of vitality. But hidden beyond the familiar sharpness of white garlic, there exists a transformation so remarkable that it borders on alchemy: the slow and mystical birth of black garlic. Unlike its pungent sibling, black garlic does not shout with intensity. Instead, it whispers with depth, carrying a flavor that is sweet, smoky, and filled with secrets forged by time itself. Created through a patient process of fermentation, white garlic is gently warmed and allowed to age in darkness, its sharp edges softened, its inner essence reborn. Weeks later, what emerges is something entirely new. Cloves turned obsidian black, sticky, soft, and rich in compounds that far surpass their original state. To ancient healers, such transformations were signs of hidden power. And indeed, black garlic holds within it a wealth of antioxidants, twice as abundant as those found in raw garlic. These darkened cloves become a fortress for the body, guarding against oxidative stress, slowing the march of aging, and strengthening the immune defenses. Modern science now confirms what traditional wisdom long suspected. Black garlic is not merely food, but medicine disguised as delicacy. It carries S-allyl-cysteine, a unique compound born during fermentation, known for its ability to protect the heart, lower cholesterol, and keep blood vessels supple and strong. For centuries, garlic was believed to ward off evil spirits. Black garlic, however, goes beyond legend. It fights the silent enemies within: inflammation, high blood pressure, and cellular damage that slowly erodes vitality. Athletes and healers alike turn to it for endurance, for black garlic nourishes stamina and energy without the harshness of stimulants. Its natural sweetness makes it gentle on the stomach, a trait raw garlic cannot claim. But black garlic is not only medicine. In the world of cuisine, it is poetry. Chefs prize it for its molasses-like richness, its hints of balsamic vinegar and tamarind, its ability to elevate even the simplest dish into something unforgettable. Spread on bread, melted into sauces, or infused into oils, it brings complexity that lingers like a haunting melody. In Korea and Japan, where black garlic first rose into culinary fame, it was regarded as a food for strength and longevity. Samurai were said to consume it before battle, believing it granted both power and resilience. Farmers saw it as fuel for long days of labor, a sustenance that renewed the body from the inside out. Today, wellness seekers embrace it as a superfood of the future, yet its roots remain firmly in the wisdom of the past. It bridges cultures, carrying stories across centuries, reminding us that patience transforms not only garlic, but life itself. Its appearance alone tells its story. Where white garlic symbolizes sharpness and vitality, black garlic embodies mystery, wisdom, and endurance. It is the elder, the sage, the matured version of youth transformed into depth. Inside its jet black flesh lies a treasure chest of amino acids, vitamins, and minerals that help restore balance to the human body. It supports detoxification of the liver, sharpens mental clarity, and balances blood sugar, making it a quiet ally in the fight against modern diseases. Unlike many health tonics that demand sacrifice of taste for benefit, black garlic does the opposite. It rewards the palate while healing the body, making nourishment a pleasure rather than a chore. The slow fermentation that births it is also a metaphor. It reminds us that great strength is not always forged in fire and speed, but in patience, stillness, and time. What once was sharp and ordinary becomes smooth, powerful, and extraordinary through transformation. For those who taste it, black garlic feels like eating history and future at once. It carries the echoes of ancient remedies and the promise of modern wellness. It is both food and philosophy, proof that even the humblest clove can become a jewel under the right conditions. When you hold a bulb of black garlic, you hold a pearl of healing, a symbol of resilience. It whispers a lesson to every soul who listens. Within darkness, transformation unfolds, and from time, true power is born. So, whether it rests in your kitchen as a gourmet ingredient or in your body as a guardian of health, black garlic is more than food. It is nature's dark alchemy, the silent gift of the hive's cousin plant, a legacy carried through centuries. And every bite is a reminder that the most extraordinary treasures are often hidden in plain sight, waiting for patience to reveal their power. Like and subscribe to stay with us on this delicious journey through the world's most powerful and fascinating foods.